With his domestic agenda stalled and his approval numbers mired in historic lows, President Trump is pitching to his base.
It's great to be here today to unveil legislation that would represent the most significant reform to our immigration system in a half a century.
Trump, alongside Republican Senators Tom Cotton and David Perdue, unveiling a plan today designed to cut legal immigration to the U.S. by 50%.
You're all set?
It aims to remake America's legal immigration system so it's less rooted in family migration, instead creating a so-called merit-based system that grades potential immigrants on their readiness to work in the U.S.
Our workers.
Trump touting the proposal Wednesday as a way to protect American workers by reducing lower-skilled immigration.
Among those hit the hardest in recent years have been immigrants and, very importantly, minority workers competing for jobs against brand new arrivals. And it has not been fair to our people, to our citizens, to our workers.
Cracking down on immigration, both legal and illegal, was a cornerstone of Trump's presidential bid.
Every time an African-American citizen or a Hispanic citizen or any citizen loses their job to an illegal immigrant, the rights of that American citizen have been totally violated. They're losing their jobs.
But the legislation is already facing skepticism from some Republicans as well as Democrats.
We think it's a non-starter.
But it marks just one of the ways Trump is working to shore up the base of supporters who helped get him elected. The Department of Justice is also preparing to steer more resources from its Civil Rights Division toward investigating universities for affirmative action policies deemed discriminatory toward white applicants. That's according to the New York Times, which obtained an internal Justice Department document about the plan.
While the White House does not confirm or deny the existence of potential investigations, the Department of Justice will always review credible allegation of discrimination on the basis of any race.
All of this coming on the heels of Trump's impromptu Twitter announcement that transgender individuals would be barred from serving in the military.
Rise up, resist!
A Twitter proclamation that has not yet led to a change in policy, as the Joint Chiefs await further guidance from the White House. Meanwhile, the administration is preparing to take a tougher line on China's trade policies, a key campaign trail issue for then-candidate Trump.
We can't continue to allow China to rape our country, and that's what they're doing. It's the greatest theft in the history of the world.